Hello? Sir, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
So we have to start, na?
Yes, sir.
Right. Ivan. I'm
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Good. That's what I was wondering, that we are not able to see. Ivan has come. Who else is remaining? Anshul. Open your book. Ivan.
Yes, sir.
Which is the page number? 10. Children, 10 page number questions of this topic. Okay? UT volume, our volume is there now with you.
Yes, sir.
Please open that volume. Here. Anshul, have you got the volume?
Yes, sir.
Good. Ivan, where is Srinidhi?
I don't know, sir.
Your friend Srinidhi, where is she?
I don't know.
Actually, don't know. Anshul, you know?
No, sir.
Srinidhi also was there, na? It's no problem. Now, Anshul, you will be giving this side odd number questions, right? 1, 3, 5, 7. You can. So you read these odd questions over here, odd number questions, and this here.
Sir, we have done till some questions.
Oh, right. Which question we have done, Vivan?
I think we had done till the give reasons part.
Give reason. Which is that question, child?
Seventh question is.
Seventh question we have done. Odd question we have not done. That seventh question.
Yeah, from seventh we have.
Seventh we had to start. Very good. So 1, 3, 5 out. Right? 2,
And
4,
6
6.
as well.
Yes, 2, 4, 6. Here, so Ivan is reduced here the number of questions to be discussed. So thank you, Ivan. Your classmates are saying thanks that you reduced the questions, isn't it? Now, so Ivan, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Anshul will do, prepare, and here 8, 10, 12, you will be actually what? Preparing, right? Okay? Good. What you do? 10 minutes I'm giving you. Just go through those questions and answers. Okay? Then we'll discuss how here. 1 5. And suppose some points we have not discussed earlier, that we'll discuss today and finish off this topic, isn't it? And then there is one more question. Multiple choice question. If you see 150 question ka set there, that is a homework for you. Take your parent's signature on that. Means when you write ABCD, all those answers, then you take your parent's signature at the end. Here? Got it?
Today is my first day.
Today?
This is my first day.
First day, na? What is your name?
Sarvesh.
Sarvesh, Sarvesh, I have written your name. Nothing to worry. So you do one thing. You will just read the answer from there. Okay? So Sarvesh is today, first time he has come. And who else is there? Avni, na? And then Prishti, right? So already you have done in school, na? This topic? No, not done. No problem. At least you will be able to. It's like a revision for you, those who are joining today. Here, we'll revise that. It's like a revision. Okay? Now, 7th question onwards. Here, this set of students will tell, along with Anshul over there, and Vivan on this side. Here, we'll go. So just 10 minutes, start reading. Where is your book? You did not get. No problem. You sit with that so that you know there is no need to move your head, otherwise it will be difficult. Na? Others are having the book. Very good. See? So then. Gravitational force is very high. Read line by line, word by word. ठीक है? Question number. I will explain. Just go through the other questions also. Just read through, okay? Then we'll explain that. Whoever is giving the answer, by looking at it, then we'll discuss. Okay? Okay, children. Now what I'll do, because it's a question of only, only you have to read. That's why we'll start immediately, right? Let us see question number 7 first. Come on. Who will read? Sanika, right? So Sanika is reading. And then wherever you have doubt, then you can ask. Okay? First, question number 7. Read out.
A gas fills completely the vessel in which it is kept.
Yes, a gas is filled completely, right? In the vessel in which it is filled. What is the answer for it?
Answer: a gas has large intermolecular spaces, so the molecules spread very easily. Hence, a gas fills a container completely. If the container is not closed, the gaseous molecules leave the container.
But one more important point they have to write over there. What is that, children? Gases, why they fill up the container completely? Because the intermolecular forces are weaker. Na? So they spread out and therefore they fill up the whole container. And this makes the intermolecular spaces large. They are having least intermolecular forces of attraction. As a result, they spread out completely. They have least intermolecular forces of attraction, but it may be good. Okay? Second, 8th question.
So 7th has ABC.
Acha, ABC, very good. Sarnika, padhiye.
B. A gas exerts pressure on the walls of the container.
What is the answer? What is the meaning of pressure exerted? Boliye.
Gaseous particles move about randomly at high speed. Due to this random movement, the particles hit each other and also hit the walls of the container. The pressure exerted by the gaseous particle is because of the force exerted per unit on the walls of the container.
Yes. What is this pressure? Pressure is nothing but what? Force exerted on a unit area is called as what? Pressure. That means gas molecules not only collide with each other, but also exert a kind of force on the surface of the walls of the vessel in which they are present. So that means that particular force which they exert on a particular area is called as what? Pressure. Right? Next one.
C. A wooden table should be called a solid.
Yes, wooden table. Look at this wooden table. What is a solid? Why it is called as a solid?
A wooden table is hard. And
Yes, it is very hard. And if I want to compress it, I am not able to compress. Right? Okay.
It
At the
has
same time.
a definite shape.
Yes, definite shape, definite volume.
It will break on having to change its shape.
Yes.
It has small intermolecular spaces
Yes,
and
therefore it is solid, right? Now?
has no humidity.
Yes.
These
Is
are
your bench becoming longer on its own? No. Shorter? No. That means what? There's no fluidity, there's no mobility in the case of this bench. Okay? Come on, then.
these are typical properties of solid.
Yes.
Hence, a wooden table is solid.
Wooden table is, that means it cannot be compressed, It is not actually mobile. It's having a fixed shape. Now you want to change the shape. Okay, you have to only. It will not change its shape. Why? Because rigid. Okay, so if it is rigid means what? For example, if you want to change the shape, you do break it. That means all these characteristics are nothing but what? Of solid. Okay, very good. Next one. 8th question. One more point.
We can easily move our hand.
This is the doubt. Now you are having this question. Also, chalo.
We can easily move our hand in air, but to do the same thing, same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert.
Yes.
Answer: this is because gases have large intermolecular spaces and have very weak physical forces between their particles. Hence, they move freely and can easily be broken. So we can move our hands freely in the air. But in a solid, the intermolecular spaces are less. As the intermolecular spaces in a solid are small, a solid is very hard.
Yes.
We need a karate expert.
Yes, to break it, isn't it? So we can move our hand in the air very easily. Why? Because the intermolecular spaces are large. At the same time, the forces of attraction are weak. Whereas in the solid, if I want to actually break this, okay, I have to actually move my hand across this solid. I have to be a karate expert. Why? Because then only they know the technique of how to break that particular bricks or maybe the tiles. Must have seen that. Okay, they actually keep that thing, this particular thing very strong by hitting again and again. Here and a particular angle they keep. So all those things are very important. Okay. Next, over. Good, very good, well read. 8th question. This is the question you are having doubt. Okay, chalo. Going forward.
Liquids generally have lower density as compared to solids.
Yes, children, liquids have lower density than solids, but
You must have observed that ice flows on water.
yes, ice floats on water. Also,
Are you listening?
yes,
सर अमर कदम करके लेक्चर में कोई लड़का है प्लीज आस्क हिम कि कौन से ब्रांच से है
Kadam, you are from which branch, Aman?
अमर कदम सर
Aman Kadam, na? Aman.
okay
Sir,
sir I am getting the message from her.
Okay.
She is a son mitra. Please आप rename करो.
Aman Kadam, yes. On the video. Now, children, listen to this question, very important. Amar Kadam, welcome back. So we are doing questions of the first topic, okay? NCRT.
okay, sir.
Are you having the volume? Are you having the volume, beauty volume?
Yes, sir.
Please open it. Page number?
11.
11.
Page number, child 11. Now we are reading the 8th question. What is the 8th question? What do you?
Answer: liquids have less mass than sugar volume as they have large intermolecular spaces.
Yes.
When
Large
they have-
intermolecular liquid, why they are less dense? Because mass क्या हो रहा है? It's spreading on a greater volume. Yes or no? Why greater volume? Intermolecular spaces are more than solid. Yes or no? ये volume क्या हो जाएगा? Large हो जाएगा. Okay? That means your volume जब large होगा तो mass on a smaller volume, that is unit volume, will be less. So mass spread out on a greater volume is less. That means on a smaller volume it will be what? Definitely still lesser. So density will be lesser for a liquid. Okay, okay, then
Hence, they have low density. Also,
Yes.
ice is solid water. In ice, the intermolecular forces are smaller than water. Hence, liquid water solidifies to form ice at 4 degrees. But after 4 degrees Celsius, it expands at the 0 degree Celsius.
what is happening over there? This is anomalous expansion of water. Children, at 4 degrees Celsius, what happens? Structure of water is what? Structure of water is actually what? For example, oxygen is having, for example, this. See, water is having this formula, right? और उसका जो उसके साथ में जो hydrogen है, what it does? It actually forms bond with what? 2 more hydrogen of another water molecule. ये देखिए, ठीक है? This is one water molecule. This is second water molecule. This is itself a water molecule. And इसके साथ ये जो है और एक water molecule इसके साथ bond form करेगा. तीसरा, तो ये चौथा. So as you find, for example, at 4 degrees Celsius, okay, these water molecules they start having intermolecular forces. Molecule number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and these forces are actually what are existing between the one water molecule with 4 other water molecules. Now, what actually happens as the 4 degree is approaching? Here, these water molecules they start expanding. Means what? They start repelling each other. When they start repelling each other, what actually happens? This tetrahedral shape of this water molecule, that means this particular tetrahedral कैसे होगा? ये देखिए ऐसा रहता है. For example, यहाँ पे, ठीक है? This particular shape, you know, it's like a tetrahedral. But when actually what? At 4 degrees Celsius, they change into what? Hexagon. Tetrahedral कैसा रहता है children? For example, यहाँ पे, for example, one water molecule, second water molecule, third water molecule. Let us say A, okay, B, C, and D. This is nothing but what? Let us say X. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? This is tetrahedral. Now this surface area is less, or the volume is less. Whereas here the hexagonal volume is more. That means this hexagonal volume, when the water molecule attains this shape, all the water molecules, what happens? They spread out on a greater volume. And this is the shape of what? Ice. Ice actually what gets this structure. So water is having this structure, ice is having this structure, although it is also made up of H2O. So when it spreads out on a greater volume, what happens? The density decreases and therefore ice floats on the surface. Antarctica में यही हुआ था ना, where Titanic ship sank here. So what was the reason? The reason is that ice floats because the structure of ice is different from water. It is hexagonal. This is tetrahedral. So here the shape is different. Here the shape is different. Here that means here the density is, although it is a solid, density is lesser. Read out.
As it becomes lighter, goes up water. As this temperature is density is less than that of air and water. This is called anomalous expansion.
Yes, you have seen that anomalous expansion. What is happening? For example, this is when the water where in the cold countries or cold places, what happens? Upper ice slab दिखेगा, yes or no? But नीचे क्या हो रहा है? For example, the aquatic life easily they are living. Why? Because this particular water which has formed a freezing kind of layer, ice. Okay, below that the freezing does not take. This acts as what? As a kind of insulator, does not allow the coldness to go down. Otherwise, पूरा sea freeze हो जाएगा, and the aquatic life will have problem. Okay, this is what anomalous period. That's why ice remains up. Okay, and it floats, whereas नीचे पानी रहेगा. Like you hammer it and you break this, and you will find that it is actually what aquatic life are easily surviving. This is anomalous expansion of water. You will do in that what is a chapter called water. Water you have done in 8th standard. उसमें नहीं किया आपने. This is what is the idea of anomalous expansion. So next one, 9th question. What about 9th? 9th कौन पढ़ रहा है? चलो now. I think so. Vivan, hey, Anshul, 9th question, please read out the answer.
Convert the following temperature to Celsius scale. 300 Kelvin is equal to.
This question, last time I mentioned earlier that there are 3 scales of temperature. Out of 3 scales, 2 scales only are having in the 9th standard. One is degrees Celsius, other is Kelvin. According to the researchers, you get 0 degrees Celsius is the either freezing point of water or melting point of ice. And 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of what? Water. So this scale is actually what? Compared with respect to what? The freezing point of water and boiling point of water. But there is a scale called Kelvin. Okay? Now this Kelvin scale, the scientists have found out that suppose for example you are having a gas, okay, vapor at 100 degree, above 100 degrees Celsius, and you start cooling down that gas. So that gas will convert into what? Liquid, yes or no? And finally what? Below 0. When it starts changing, it may remain in the liquid form, okay, and then further down, and we'll find that at minus 273 children. all gases, they turn either into the form of solid or liquid. There is no gas existing below to minus 273. Now, at this particular temperature, when all the gases they change into what, liquid or solid, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? 0 Kelvin. What Kelvin?
0.
And at this particular temperature, the volume of the gas will be 0. Why? Because they are no longer gases. They become solids or liquids. 0 Kelvin का मतलब क्या है? It is 273 degrees Celsius more. Yes or no? Because अगर इधर minus 273 है, this is 0 Kelvin. ठीक है? तो 0 का कितना हो जाएगा children? 100 का कितना हो जाएगा?
320.
That means can I say T Kelvin? We can build up a relation. Is 273 more. 273 more because इसका minus 273. This is 0. 273 more than what? Degrees Celsius. Now what is the question over there? Question is convert Celsius. That means now Kelvin is given. What is the temperature in Kelvin? 300. Now see 300 इधर लिखे. 273 is a constant number, T degrees Celsius. So that means what? T is equal to what? 300 minus 270. How much is it? 27 degrees Celsius. Again, Kelvin second. Second Kelvin is what they have given children? 573. 573 is equal to what? Okay, that is 273 plus T degrees Celsius. Yes or no? हम लोग क्या करेंगे? T इस साइड ले लेंगे, 273 this side, 573, and this plus 273 goes on the other side, become minus 273. How much is it, children? 300 degrees Celsius. So if somebody says, sir, 573 Kelvin is equal to how much? In terms of degrees Celsius, 300. This is called Kelvin scale. This is never negative. Kelvin scale is never negative. Celsius scale can be negative. A 0 से start होगा. Okay, come on, next one. Question number 10. Ivan, पढ़िए.
Yes, sir.
Question number 9. Question number 10.
What is the physical state of water at 250 degrees Celsius?
Oh, 250 degrees Celsius. That means what? I mean, physical state of water. Water का boiling point कितना children? 100, more than 100. That means 100 के ऊपर क्या? The water will be in the form of steam. Yes or no? So it will be the state of water vapor or steam. Second,
100 degrees.
100 degrees Celsius. बहुत ही अच्छा पढ़ रहे हैं. 100 means what? This is the boiling point of water. बस इतना ही लिखना है. That means you will get a combination of water and steam दोनों मिलेगा. Okay, chalo. Boiling point of water. Water boils at this. 11th question. 11th question is what, child? Who's reading 11th standard? 11th question. It is Anvi. चलिए पढ़िए. During the change of state, why the temperature remains constant? Please read out the answer.
During the change of state, the temperature does not change because the energy supplied by the heat over constant. The forces of attraction between the particles
Is broken. Yes or no? Like suppose you are supplying heat, children, for the solid or liquid. What is happening? At that particular melting point, what is happening? Whatever heat is going inside is breaking the intermolecular forces of attraction. That means it's changing the potential energy. Okay, उसको तोड़ रहे हैं, so temperature कभी constant रहे. That means you will say that whatever energy is going inside is changing the potential energy, and potential energy जब एक solid में change हो रहा है या liquid में change हो रहा है, temperature will not change. But the moment these forces are broken down, okay, all the forces are broken down, then this particular liquid or solid is ready to change into some other state, then temperature shoots up. Remember, so this is called latent heat of fusion in the case of solid, or latent heat of vaporization in the case of liquids.
So why did you say potential energy?
Because pardon? नहीं, kinetic energy potential energy को बढ़ाने में लग रहा है. Means it's changing the forces of attraction, breaking the forces of attraction. उसके लिए उसका potential change कर रहा है. ये उसका जो energy है, stored energy, उसमें और भी increase कर रहा है. That's why it is considered to be what potential. Means whatever energy is required to bring the attraction, that is called potential. Okay, come on. Then
the temperature will arise only after the
Yes. Next question. Who's reading next question? Sarvesh. Which question number? 12. Very good.
Suggest a method to liquefy atmospheric gases. Answer. After collecting gases from the atmosphere, they have to be subjected to extreme pressure and low temperature.
Yes. High pressure has to be applied. Yes or no? Like I gave you the example of gas cylinder. What we do? We actually apply the pressure. We put the gas under high pressure, and that gas, which is LPG, is in the form of liquid, right? And that's why it is called as liquefied petroleum gas. Under high pressure and low temperature. That's why. Next. Next question. What here? Who's reading? Drishti. Drishti, what here?
Question number 10. Why does it cool better
What is the meaning of desert cooler? Desert cooler is nothing but what? A cooler which is being cooled by running cold water. मालूम है ना आपको? Water cooler आपने देखा होगा ना? Symphony का water cooler, उसमें आपको पानी भरना है, then you run that, and the water actually what starts circulating through the fan, and you get moisture on your face, yes or no, on your body. It is different from air conditioning units. There we are having gases over there. Okay, but where we use water cooler or where we use these coolers, basically where the condition is dry. As a North India में आपको मालूम पड़ेगा moisture कम है, ठीक है ना? यहाँ पे moisture ज़्यादा है. Although the temperature is high over there, we don't sweat. There we require desert cooler. Desert cooler means also the desert we don't have humidity. Okay, so there we use this. Now read out.
on a hot dry day? Temperature is high and humidity is less, which helps in better evaporation. During the higher rate of evaporation, it gives better cooling effect.
Yes, a better cooling effect because the rate of evaporation is higher because humidity is lesser. What is that factors on which the evaporation depends? Surface area, humidity. तो humidity जितना कम रहेगा उतना evaporation ज़्यादा होगा और इससे cooling effect ज़्यादा होगा उसमें. ठीक है ना? So then next question.
Question 14. How does the water kept in an earthen pot in the cool during summer? Earthen pot is porous and water from the pot oozes out.
Yes.
From the surface of the water.
Yeah, ये देखिए ये earthen pot है चलिए. ठीक है ना? और यहाँ पे pores है. ठीक है और अंदर पानी. मालूम है ना आपको? तो ये पानी थोड़ा सा ooze out होगा. और जब particles बाहर आएंगे थोड़ा सा, ओके, तो ये हीट से क्या करेंगे? हीट देगा बाहर से. Like for example, it is absorbing heat from the outside also, as well as it is actually what? For example, taking heat from the inside also. That is what? This water droplet has to go out. What it does? It absorbs heat from the surrounding, which is not only from the atmosphere but also from the container. And as a result, ये जो पानी अंदर है, it is the heat is taken out. That's why this water inside that pot is cooler. Remember, okay? And that's why evaporation is an endothermic process, isn't it? Come on, next one. Amar, where are you?
Yes, sir.
अभी तुम पढ़ोगे. कौन सा क्वेश्चन पढ़ा अभी? 14. Now 15th question. Amar.
Yes, sir.
Read the 15th question.
Why does our palm feel cold when we put some acetone or petrol or perfume on it? Acetone,
yes.
petrol, perfume are highly
Volatile. Escape easily.
liquids which absorb the body heat in order to vaporize. On evaporation, they cool the palm of the hand on which they are applied.
Yes. So when you apply the acetone on your hand, what happens? Acetone evaporates, but while evaporation, it takes the heat from your hand. That's why your hand becomes cooler. Yes or no? Clear? And likewise, for example, in the case of sanitizer, when we put sanitizer and just rub it, because of rubbing, heat is produced, और वो heat absorb करके ये sanitizer उड़ जाता है. Yes or no? Am I right? Okay. Next question. Suhan, पढ़िए. 16th question.
Why are we able to say about the air with faster?
Yes. Why we are not able to?
We are able to say what
saucer, plate, ठीक है? हाँ बोलिए. Yes. What is the reason? One line answer. What saucer is having more surface area. So more particles of that, surface, the particles on the surface evaporate. As a result, by absorbing heat, and that's why the surface of that particular tea becomes, the energy on that particular surface becomes less. And as a result, we find we are able to sip that particular tea or maybe a pot of coffee easily from the saucer rather than cup. Yes or no? Please read out the answer. Very good, excellent. Next one, 17. कौन पढ़ रहा है अभी? प्रियांशी पढ़िए. जल्दी कीजिए because 24 questions are there. Last 5 minutes are there. Yes. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Because due to our body mechanism, we sweat more. And what happens? Cotton has got a capacity to absorb the sweat. And when it absorbs the sweat, it comes from the cotton clothes. And this cotton clothes, from where cotton clothes, what happens? By evaporation, they take the heat from the body. And as a result, we feel cooler by wearing the cotton clothes. Next one, 17th over 18th. 18 na children? 18 question. Come on, कौन पढ़ रहा है अभी? हाँ पढ़िए. आपका दिया. I think so. You have not referred any question. You are getting bonus. ठीक है? कौन सा 18 और 20 ना पढ़े? Continuous. बोलिए.
Convert the following temperature to Kelvin scale. Celsius scale.
Celsius scale. This time it is Celsius to Kelvin. Yes or no, children? Or Kelvin to Celsius? Kelvin to Celsius. चलिए बोलिए.
293 Kelvin.
293 Kelvin. Children, 293 Kelvin को हम लोग को change करना है. So 273 plus 3 degrees Celsius. How much is it? T is equal to 293 minus 273. How much is it? 20 degrees Celsius. Very good. Next one. Dia, what is it?
470 Kelvin.
Huh? 470
470.
Kelvin. Very good. 473 children. How much is it? 470 minus 273. How much is it? 197 degrees Celsius. Oh, whooping 197. Come on. Next one. Sanika, पढ़िए.
Convert the following temperatures to Kelvin scale.
Kelvin scale. बोलिए.
825 degrees Celsius.
Oh, 25. Children, T Kelvin is equal to 273 plus 25. How much is it? 298. Very good. Next one.
373 degrees.
373. That means 373 plus 273.
646.
Very good. 646. Excellent mathematics. 646. बहुत ही जल्दी आपने आंसर किया. Next one. Now who is remaining over there? Vivan has read.
Yes, everyone is dead.
Everyone has read. So now here Tia is going to give for example 20th question. Come on children, last.
Give reasons for the following observation. A. Naphthalene ball disappear with time without leaving any solid. Answer. Naphthalene ball or supplements. Supplements are substance that changes from solid
Directly to gas. Right now? Like for example, naphthalene balls you must have seen, which mother actually puts in the suitcase, right? After some days, naphthalene ball is missing. You say, sir, is it magic? No. Mother's magic? No. It is sublimation. That means that smell you get, but when you try to search that naphthalene ball, you will not get. Why? Because it is in the form of vapors. That is directly in the form of gas. Okay, this property is only few substances are having: naphthalene, camphor, ammonium chloride, and iodine. Few substances. Come on, next one. Diya is very good. Diya
You can get the smell of a perfume sitting several meters
away. Yes.
Answer. Perfume vaporizes into vapor. Who?
Then vaporizes into vapor will be going wrong, na? Vaporizes vapor. दो word वही आ रहा है ना? तो क्या लिखेंगे उधर? Perfume converts into vapor, ना? ऐसा लिखेंगे ना? Perfume liquid converts into vapor.
Vapor. Intermolecular vapor are large and a particle move faster.
Yes.
These rapidly moving perfume particles diffuse into the air easily and travel with it.
Yes. Yes. Children, there are some kind of, for example, attar, क्या बोलते हैं? इत्तर या अत्तर? Ittar. That you keep it, okay, and it will remain permanent whole day, 2 days, 3 days. There are certain, what is the ittar which are actually going to be permanent, and after washing clothes also they don't go. मालूम है ना? क्या बोलते हैं वो ittar को? They are made up of all, क्या बोलते हैं? That is petals, basically flowers. They are extract from flowers, basically. Right ना? So perfume से better है बोलते हैं. Okay. Next one. Who's reading next? Vrishti, पढ़िए. कहाँ है वृष्टि? हाँ, पढ़िए. Question number? जल्दी करिए. 21. Very good.
Arrange the following substances in increasing order of forces of attraction between the particles: water, sugar, oxygen.
Which one is that? Oxygen is gas, water is liquid, and sugar is solid. So intermolecular forces सबसे ज़्यादा किसमें होगा? Sugar में. उसके बाद water में. उसके बाद oxygen. Arrange in the increasing order, decreasing order. Increasing. तो पहले oxygen, बाद में water, बाद में sugar. Very good. Next question. 23 हो गया? 2 हो गया. 23, 24. Come on, children. Last 2. So your names will go in the Guinness Book of World Record. Come on.
2 reasons to justify. Water at room temperature is a liquid. Answer. At room temperature, the heat is low. So energy given to water particle is low. Hence, their movement kinetic energy is low, and so water is liquid at room temperature.
Yes. Very good. Next one. 24th.
The main one.
B part. B part.
Either alkali is solid at room temperature. At room temperature, as the heat is low, the energy is also low.
Yes.
The particles of the solid have low energy to move rapidly. Hence they vibrate in a small area, keeping close to each other.
Yes.
Hence the alkali is a solid at the room temperature.
Great. Next one. 24th. अच्छा 23rd. बोलिए.
Why is it ice at 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature?
Yes. Because it is having 80 calories less, na? चलो पढ़िए.
For melting ice is
Latent heat, yes.
latent heat on the substance and hence cool substance more effectively.
Efficiently.
So on the other hand, water at 0 degrees cannot take any such
Extra heat, yes. That means water has already taken that extra heat of 80 calories per gram. ठीक है ना? Whereas ice has taken is having 80 calories less. That's why we put ice packs. Na? When a person gets injured, okay, with ice packs में heat कम रहता है, energy कम रहता है, okay, but water packs नहीं ले. 24th question, come on. Last.
What produces oxygen boiling water?
Yes, definitely steam will have extra heat of energy. There is latent heat of vaporization. As a result, you find it's actually what? More dangerous. The last question, 25th. Yes, ABC. First is what, children? A to B क्या होगा? Melting. क्योंकि वो solid to liquid में हो रहा है, right ना? B to C क्या हो जाएगा, children? Boiling, right? Okay, then अगर आप reverse आ रहे हैं, तो it is nothing but what? Condensation. Okay, और बाद में क्या है? Freezing. Okay, and then when you are changing from solid to gas, what is happening? You are decreasing the pressure and increasing the heat. ऊपर, हाँ वो तो sublimation है, but ऊपर देखिए arrow के ऊपर बना है. Decrease the pressure and increase the heat. But when you are changing a gas into solid, gas into liquid and then solid, you are actually what? Increasing the pressure and lowering the temperature. तो ये 4-5 points आपको याद है. Okay, Vivan, Anshul and Amar, homework will be the multiple choice questions. Clear? You will write down in the book A, B, C, D and answer, and then take your parent's signature, and next time you show me. Okay? So next time we'll start with a new topic. Okay, thank you very much. Well done, all of you. Two types. What's up? 50 question किसमें चाहिए? 50 question कौन सा है? वो वाला करना. That one, practical based. So then only you will understand this concept. Here? Yeah. 50 questions. Okay? Thank you.